So here's a little hack. If you're into tech or anything you don't want your girlfriend to know about, you just pretend like your cat was online ordering it. So, probably shouldn't be wasting my money on Chinese 3D printing stuff off of AliExpress. But I didn't buy it. The cat bought it. Plus, and then, they say that all your data gets harvested, and I mean, I don't really care if they know all about my cat. Like, I'm actually kind of happy. I just imagine somebody sitting in an office like, yeah, we got that Lucy Buns info. So I bought a couple cheap fans. Gonna try to fix my cooling a little bit or increase my cooling. And this is what I'm excited about. Gotta be careful with these. And I think all of this was like $20 shipped. I think it was like maybe $24. But it's so well packaged. Got here in like 2 weeks. Not too long of a wait time. Ooh, and look at that. Oh, that's so awesome. And it's double-sided too. Yes, this side's not as exciting. Okay, well, we have to peel it, right? Oh, this side is exciting. Oh. Oh, wow. Okay, let's see the other side. Ooh. Okay, let's see the last. Is that 5? That side looks plain, but now I know it's not. This side looks plain too. Let's see. Oh my god, that's so cool. So I'll do some prints with these. We'll see how they look. I do have one that I've kind of destroyed. And after a wash with soap and water, it still works pretty good. If you don't have one yet, I'd recommend Physitis. I really like this textured bed, and this has held up really nice so far. You get this nice, cool little texture on your prints. Just ignore that though.